students. Today our topic is division by two-digit divisor. Okay. So earlier whatever questions we have done, that was only single-digit divisor. Today we are going to deal with two-digit divisor. I have an example over here. 88,764 divided by 37. Okay. So how are we going to do the division here? So first thing that you have to remember is we have to identify the partial dividend which is suitable for the given divisor. For that you have to know all the multiples of the divisor, okay, to successfully do this division. Now, but it is not possible like 37 or like 1 to 9, all the numbers you will take out. So there is a trick also that I'm going to teach you how to know that which is the counting number that you have to multiply with 37 that will give me closer to the dividend, to the partial dividend. First of all, how to identify the partial dividend. For a two-digit divisor, we are going to take a two-digit dividend only. Okay, for a two-digit divisor, we are going to take a two-digit dividend first. Two-digit means the first two digits, that is from the left hand side you will take. Now, here you have to check whether the partial dividend is greater than or less than. For example, in this question, 88 is greater than 37. So, no problem. You can easily divide. But suppose sometimes what happens, this becomes less. Then what happens? You have to take the next digit, that is the adjacent digit. So you have to divide the two-digit divisor with a three-digit dividend. But in this case, since 88 is greater than 37, so no need to take the third digit. So first let us understand by which number you have to divide by which number you have to multiply 37, so that we will get a number which is very close or equal to 88. Okay. So for that what we will do, first of all, you hide the ones place digit of 37 and hide the ones place digit of 88. So what we are getting here, 3 and 8. So you tell 3 how much is going by 8. It will be 3 2 ja 6, because 3 3 ja 9 is again more than 8. So you cannot take. So 3 2 ja 6 is possible for 8. So now what you will do, 37 2s you have to take. So 7 2s are 14, 3 2s are 6 plus 1 7, 74. Okay. So 37 2s are 74. After subtraction, what we get here? We get 8 minus 4, that is 4. And 8 minus 7 is 1, 14. And the next digit 7 comes down. Again the same process will be repeated. Hide the ones place digit of here and ones place digit of here. So what is left? 3 and 14. 3 and 14. Now 3 how much will be closer to 14? 3 4s are 12, because 3 5s are 15 will be more. So take 37 into 4. How much you will get? 7 4s are 28. 4 3s are 12 plus 2 14. 148. But you see 148 is more by 1 than 147. So you cannot take 4. So in this case what you will do? 37 3s are just the previous number you will take. 37 3s are, how much you will get? 7 3s are 21, 3 3s are 9 plus 2 11, 111. So 37 3s are 111. After subtraction you get 36. Please bring the next digit down, that is 6. 366. Again the same process will be repeated. Hide 7 here, hide 6 over here. So 3 tens are 30 is actually very big. Actually you cannot take, so you go for 37 last digit, that is 10 also will be two digit number, you cannot take. So 37 nines are you have to think of. So 37 nines are, how much it will come? 9 7 is 63, carry 6, 9 0 27 plus 6, 33. So 333. So 37 nines are we get 333. After subtraction, what we get is 6 minus 3, it is 3. 6 minus 3, it is 3. 33. Now the last digit you will come down, that is 4. And what we will get, we can take the same number, that is 9. 37 nines are 333. After subtraction we get 1. So finally we got the quotient here as 2399 and remainder as 1. Okay. Now our answer is correct or not, we can check. We can check. How we will check? Multiply the quotient with the divisor and then add with the remainder. So quotient is, we have dividend equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So 2399 into 37 plus 1. First we will multiply. So 2399 into 37. 9 sevens are 63. 3 carry 6. 9 sevens are 63 plus 6, 69. 9 carry 6. 7 3s are 21 plus 6, 27. Carry 2. 7 2s are 14 plus 2, 16. Cross. 9 3s are 27. Carry 2. 9 3s are 27 plus 2, 29. Carry 2. 3 3s are 9 plus 2, 11. Carry 1. 3 2s are 6 plus 1, 7. Add it. 3, 16. Carry 1. 17. Carry 1. 6 plus 2, 8. 7 plus 1, 8. So we got 88,763. Now 88,763 plus 1, what are we going to get? 88,764. So which is actually equal to the dividend, that is 88764, 88764. So in this way we are checking our answer is correct or not. Okay. So please follow these steps. How are we taking the partial dividend and how are we going to check that which number we should keep as the quotient here so that we get a closer to the partial dividend here. Okay, so please follow the steps.